Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, we're exploring how to set up a proxy for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot, versatile in numerous discussion topics. It evolves through conversations, broadening its knowledge spectrum, making it an invaluable companion for specialized tasks or everyday interactions. Now, let's get started with the proxy setup. First, let's set it up on Windows. Initiate a search by typing proxy, and then navigate to proxy settings. Under manual proxy configurations, switch the toggle on. Fill in the IP and the HTTP port details. If you're using a free proxy, credentials aren't necessary. For a private proxy, you will be prompted to input the username and password. And that's it. Your connection is secure. Alternatively, you can use the Proxy-Seller software. Here's how. Open Proxy-Seller and go to Proxy Servers. Hit Add in the subsequent window, and choose from HTTPS, SOCKS 4, or SOCKS 5 protocols. Post-protocol selection, insert the proxy's IP address and port. For private proxies, enable authentication and enter your credentials. Free proxies don't require this step. Test the setup by clicking Check. If you see a success message, hit OK to save. Now head over to the Proxification rules to activate the proxy. To apply proxy settings device-wide, alter the localhost rule from direct to your new proxy, and click Save. For applying settings to specific applications like the Chrome browser, follow these steps. Within Proxification rules, select Add. Name your rule, and in the application field, either pick or manually input the .exe file for your application. In this instance, I'm setting up a proxy on Chrome, identified as chrome.exe. Assign the action to your recently added proxy. Save your settings to finalize. That's it. Your proxy is up and running, ensuring a secure workflow. A quick reminder, working with free proxies may not guarantee safety and anonymity, potentially leading to blocking. For maximum online anonymity and security, we recommend considering the purchase of a private proxy. Our company, Proxy-Seller, offers 100% online anonymity, performance guarantees for your chosen use case, and 24/7 customer support. Check the video description for a 10% discount coupon code and a link to our website. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.